Helping people has always been a passion of mine. I volunteered at Henry Ford Wyandotte Hospital for over 2 years. My community provides an influential education, opportunities for individuality, and a welcoming home. I'm a proud member of my community, and it is exceptionally fulfilling to give back to those who are at their weakest, sickest times. Not only do I affect the patients, but also the staff who work hard daily to provide care. It is crucial to provide for a place that gives so much. It is the best feeling to give back to people who need it the most. I give my service on the medical surgical floors, post-operation floor, and the intensive care unit. Patients are usually afraid, lonely, sick, and do not feel like themselves. It is up to me to provide them with extra comfort and put a smile on their face when they feel hopeless. One day particularly, nurses were buzzing around attending to patients' needs. The floor was packed and understaffed. As a volunteer, I'm always searching for tasks otherwise overlooked by busy employees. There was an elderly patient planned to be transferred to a nursing facility. She was hysterical. The nurse went into her room and said, "Honey, you'll be okay. I don't have time for this," and walked out. I took the initiative to sit with this patient and provide her the comfort she needed in such a heartbreaking time. Before leaving the room, she told me, "I hope you'll be a nurse one day." I expressed to her that it has always been my dream. Then she offered to pray for my journey. When I left the room, she had a smile on her face. I later found out that she had no visitors during her entire stay. All she needed was someone to be there for her. This inspired a career committed to helping others, a registered nurse. This woman truly inspired me to be the best version of myself that I can be, not only for myself, but for my patients. This gave me a vision of the type of nurse I want to be. I will always strive to provide my future patients with a compassionate perspective. This passion for helping others will never dull, and it will be what keeps me focused and motivated. So to answer the question of how one person can make a difference, it is person by person, making someone smile, providing light and happiness to those in their darkest times, and supporting others. You never know someone's backstory. You may not be able to change the world, but if one person tries to positively impact everyone they meet, then that person's world could be changed. Think of that woman. Just by one person sitting down to talk with her, her whole perspective and outlook changed. Now, she may not think of being in the hospital alone and underappreciated. She will remember the kind volunteer who made her feel safe and understood. Every nurse was drawn to nursing because of a desire to care, to serve, or to help. I am proud to embody this quote and always will aspire to. At the end of the day, it is not about myself. Rather, it is about how I have influenced others.